Hello guys, Merry Christmas. There is a question of one of my subscribers asking, when do I buy a stock? Okay, now what time? Now this depends on your strategy. It means what is the thing you are following. For me, for example, my strategy is following support and resistance lines only. Okay, and there are some rules, some kind of stock that I buy, others I don't buy. Okay, so these rules are okay, they are only in my strategy. You find them in the book below if you see the link, if you want to buy the strategy. Now I have shown some other kind of strategies. For example, when you follow earnings date, either before the stock opens or earnings after the stock market closes, these earnings make a big hit to the price, either up or down. That's why we have gaps. Now I have done before a video before the earnings of Facebook, and some people, they take advantage of it, and some of the subscribers, they send me emails, they say they have make money from this. Okay, but this, you should follow kind of stocks. There are certain kinds of stocks that you can do this, others you can't. Some they can have a gap, others they can't. So all depends on your strategy that you are following. You should have a way to enter and to exit your trades. I can't give you just anything, say okay, buy on Monday and sell on Friday. Okay, so it doesn't work like this. And for me, for example, I search for the stocks that I'm looking for, and I put them in a watch list, and I buy the first day the stock price goes through the resistance line up. It means the first day. I always do, and I always have money like this. Okay, and you tell me, how do you know the first day? It's because of the resistance line and the support line. So I know because I'm following these stocks, and I put the lines and I'm waiting for them. So I am waiting that the stocks will come to me. I don't chase stocks. I don't go, like for example, I see a stock with a big trend, and I begin to chase it here and there. It's very hard. It's very hard to make money that way. You can make some money, but it's not that big. Okay. But if the trends is good, you can enter at any time following the strategy. Okay. So you can find other ways to enter a trade. So for me, I don't follow fundamentals, okay, or the news or something like that. I don't trade that because some people are good at it. For me, I have never tried, and I'm not interested to search for news and to look, because this kind of thing needs to be available to trade in the day, like day trading, like news, like earnings. These kind of things, you should have time in the day. For example, you don't work in the day, maybe you work at night, and in the morning you are just doing nothing, and then you can trade. Okay, so you can discover a lot of things. For example, I give you a trick, you can try it. Dividend day, or what you call the X dividend day. Try to see a lot of stocks when they give the dividend. The next day, it means in the same day the stock will go down. Especially those who give a lot, give 5%, 7%, 10%. This strategy works for almost all the time, but there are surprises. If you want to use that, you just go and search for the stocks that have a very large dividend, and the X day, it means you should buy either you short the stock at that day, or you buy puts for the options. If you don't know or you have never traded, so trade just little bit. Don't buy a lot. And if you want to go through this and you become an expert in these things like dividend trading, you can do that. Okay, but I'm not asking like other people do, is to buy before the dividend day, and then the next day you get the dividend, but the price is going down, so you get no money. So this is, I see some videos and some people who are advertising for this kind of thing, but this you can make no money from it, and maybe sometimes it's risky. Okay, it's risky. And I have seen a lot of people who have their channel is based on dividend, but you know, dividend, when they give you a dividend, the price will go down. So it's for me it's worthless. Okay, so for me, that's why for me I don't follow this kind of dividend thing. Dividend thing is when you have millions of dollars and you are old, you are retired, and you want an income always, even the price is the same, doesn't change, you have an income. Okay, for example, if you have, let's say, some people who have too much money, $1 million, $2 million, $5 million, they try to find this kind of conservative stocks that give dividends, and they stay getting each year, each quarter dividend that they survive with. It means they don't want to take with them to live from their money, but they want to take dividend only. They leave their money and they take the dividend. It's a very good strategy for those who are old. Now, people who are young, you should find risky stocks like growth stocks, like internet stocks, like mining stocks, like drug stocks. Okay, these kind of sectors, the stocks are volatile, which means you can make a lot of money if you find one that is good for you. Okay, so it's better to do this than to rely on dividend stocks or something. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. If you have any question or so, just comment. Thank you very much.